In this tutorial, you will learn how to share files and directories on Box with FileZilla Pro. Launch FileZilla Pro. If you don't already have a Box connection, create a site entry now. To create a new connection in the Site Manager dialog box, follow these steps. Click on New to begin creating a new connection. In the protocol selection, choose Box. The host name field will be automatically filled in by FileZilla Pro. To establish the connection, click on Connect. This will redirect you to Box to authorize FileZilla Pro's access to your Box storage. Enter your Box credentials and click on Authorize to continue. Now grant FileZilla Pro access to your Box account. Copy the provided authorization code and paste it into the designated field. Once connected, you will see your files and directories on the right side. To share a file or folder, right-click on it in the entry list and choose Share. You can select multiple files or directories. The collaboration window will open, displaying the selected entries. Click on an entry to select it. To create a shared link, click on Create. The Create Shared Link window will appear. Select the access type. Open allows anyone to access the link. Company restricts access to users within the user's organization, or Collaborators grants access only to specified collaborators. You can add collaborators in the collaboration window. If the access type is open, you can enter an optional password that will be required to access the link. For open or company access, you can grant download or edit rights to the file. Click OK to create the link. The created link will be shown in the entry list. You can remove the link or copy it to the clipboard. To share the file or directory with collaborators, click the Add button. The Add Collaboration dialog will appear. Click Add and enter the email address of the collaborator. You can add multiple email addresses. Check the Notify by Email checkbox to send an email notification to the collaborator. Choose the role of the collaborator: Editor for making changes or Viewer for viewing only. Click OK to add the collaborator. The list of collaborators is updated with the new collaborator. You can remove a collaborator by selecting them and clicking the Remove button. In this video, you learned how to share your files and directories on Box using FileZilla Pro. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.